Hey guys, welcome to my third series of classes and object, which is Python tutorial 27. In this course, we're going to be working with inheritance. So, let's begin. So, first and first, let's create an animal class. Class, animal, and let's create a constructor for this def underscore underscore init underscore underscore self, and let's just give it name. Self.name is equal to name, and let's create another method def make sound like this, and just return using a formatted string self.name make sound like this. Now this is my animal class, just a normal class. Now let me instantiate this animal class. So let's say animal is equal to animal. We have to give it its argument. So let's say this is a dog, right? And let's print animal dot make sound like this. So if I should run this code, I'm gonna get dog makes sound. Now we created this animal class, we added a constructor and also a custom method. Now let me create another class for dog itself. Now I want to inherit this animal class inside of this dog class. So you're going to be using these two parentheses, then the name of the class that you want to inherit from. So I have inherited this animal class now. So the animal class is now the parent class, while the dog class is now the child class, which is this animal class is also known as the superclass, and this dog class is also known as a subclass. So I only typed pass. In this case, if I should instantiate this dog class, I'll be able to access all the methods of this animal class. So let's try. Let me instantiate the dog class. Let's say my dog is equal to dog, and we have to give this an argument because we've inherited this animal class, so we're going to be using this constructor. So let me give this name of a dog. Let me say bingo like this, and print my dog dot make sound, right? So let me run this code. My apple is bingo makes sound, which is this name given here. Now there is nothing inside of this dog class, but we are using it to access every method that is inside of this animal class because we've inherited this animal class, which is the parent class. So let me create its own method. So let me use def sound like this and give this self because it's not a static method, and return like this self.name back like this. So let me run this code. Print my dog dot sound. Let's run this code. Now I have this bingo back. Can we use this sound method for this animal class? So let's try. Do you think so? Animal.sound, and let's run this. Now this won't probably work because it is the parent class. Now let's clear this off. Now we have this this custom method sound and also this constructor inside of this animal class. What if I want the dog class to also have its own constructor. What are we going to do? So let's say def underscore underscore init like this. Then I'm giving this name, which is this name here. But there is something that is going to be added inside of this constructor to be able to use this super class name. So we have this name attribute. So let's say age also. Now let me say self.age is equal to age. Now can we do this for self.name also? No, we can't do that because this is already giving us warning. So we have to use the super class name for this by typing super, which is a function, dot underscore underscore init underscore underscore like this. Then we can pass in this name attribute. Now we are not getting any error anymore, but here we have to pass in age. So let's give this 5. So let's return self.name backs at self.age. So let's run this. Bingo backs at 5. Now we have our own constructor inside of this dog class, but we are using the name of this super class, which is this animal class. So let me create another class like class for cat, and let me inherit let me inherit dog class and type pass. Now let me instantiate my cat is equal to cat, and let me give this Bella like this. So we can't just leave this like this. We have to give it give this its age also. So let me say this is 3 and print my cat.sound. Now what do you think our output will be? We are going to get this Bella barks at 3, but a cat doesn't bark. But let's try first. We are going to get the bark. We have Bella barks at 3, which simply means that we have to create its own custom method, but we are going to be using this dog constructor. Now let's say def let me just copy this and paste it here. Return self.name meow at self.age. Now we got this Bella meow at 3. Now let me change this sound to make sound. With this animal class we have this make sound. Now let me change all of this to make sound also, and let me show you something. Make sound. Now let's change all of this method, make sound, and also make sound. Now if I should run this code, what do you think the output will be? The output will be this make sound, which is the child class, not this parent class, because we are instantiating the child class itself, not the parent class. So if I should run this code, I'm just going to get Bella meow at 3, bingo barks at 5, and this bingo barks at 5, which is this. Now let's go back to dog. We have this make sound 2 times. So this is not going to use this parent class method anymore. It only uses this constructor. So let's change this back to sound. So sound, and run this. Now Bella makes sound, Bingo makes sound, Bingo makes sound. Now we get into Bingo makes sound. Now I have to change this back to sound. So let me just print my cat dot make sound of its own, and let's create this. Now Bella meow as 3, Bella makes sound, Bingo barks at 5, Bingo makes sound, and we only have this, which is dog makes sound. So which simply means that I can also create for cat animal 2, which is equal to animal cat print animal 2 dot make sound, like this. So I'm just going to get cat makes sound. So this is just all for this inheritance in Python. This is an easy one. Yeah, inheritance is very easy, just needed a lot of practice. You have to practice more and more to be able to master classes and objects. It is the most useful topic in programming, which is object-oriented programming. There is no app that you want to create that you won't use classes and objects. So you have to master them. You have to practice more and more. So there's gonna be an exercise for this course. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive new notifications.